What's up guys, Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new retractable bed step for your 2023 and newer Ford Superduty. Let's get into it. Introducing our retractable bed corner step for 2023 and newer Ford Superduty trucks. Tailored for anyone looking for functionality and convenience without the need to sacrifice style. Our innovative retractable corner step is the ultimate solution for easy bed access, especially for lifted trucks. Designed with the ease of use and durability in mind, this sleek, low-profile step tucks away seamlessly when not in use and deploys effortlessly when you need it the most. It's the functional upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2023 and newer Ford Super Duty trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so before we can actually install our step, we need to assemble it. So you're going to take your main linkage arm and your main support bracket, and we're going to go ahead and bolt these two together. So we're going to set it on top like that, and we're going to take two of the combo bolts from your kit. You're going to put it in the rear location, or the two that are directly next to each other like this.
Now for the third mounting location, go ahead and grab a bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer and thread it into place.
And we're going to go ahead and tighten this down right now. These are all going to be 13mm bolts, so go ahead and cinch them down.
Now we can take our remaining combo bolts and attach the support bracket to the main bracket.
Alright, so we're going to tighten these down, but not fully tighten them. We're going to leave it so we can still adjust it side to side. So we're almost done assembling the step, so we're going to go ahead and take your step head, flip it over, and we're going to grab the T-bolts that are in your kit, and we're going to have two on the top portion and two on the bottom portion here. So they're going to be lined up like this.
Once the T-bolts are in place, we can line them up with the mounting plate. You want to make sure that there is one bolt per slot when positioning the step pad. Then, install a flat washer and lock nut per bolt. When all the hardware is in place, slightly tighten them down so the step pad is still able to be adjusted. To install the corner step, we're going to be working under the rear driver's side corner of the bed.
So we're under the bumper on the driver's side, near the end of the frame. We're going to be removing these 4 nuts. So these two here and then these two here. We're going to start by removing these 15mm right here. So we're going to hold on to these nuts because we're going to use them for the install. Now we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 bolts right here. And like before, hang on to these nuts we just took off because we're going to use them again. So now that you've got everything ready to go to install your step, you're going to notice these two are pretty loose. It's a bolt plate. We're actually going to take it out for the sake of installing the bed step. And we're going to take our step here, line it up on the 2 studs, snap it in place like that. Then we're going to take that bolt plate that we just took out and we're going to slide it back behind the frame to where it lines up with that bracket and our bracket through the holes, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten down all of the hardware we just took off. So back the 21s up here and the 15s on here. And with the 4 nuts tightened down on your bracket, we're going to go ahead and just secure these 2 bolts on the main bracket.
Lastly, adjust the step pad to your desired position and tighten down all the hardware. That does it for our Boost Auto retractable corner step install. If you're looking for extra help getting in and out of your truck bed, this is the perfect solution. Check it out today at boostauto.com, and we'll catch you in the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one, and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.